Hi guys, it's Michael here from CTFloors, a division of CT Industries. We're back at our candy factory and we're busy with the final preparation stages before we're going to install the polyurethane floor. As you know, preparation is key for a successful installation of anything, and the same goes probably even more for polyurethane because these floors are so strong. So we're grinding, we're shot blasting where necessary, we're scabbling where necessary, we're doing all these things, and it's all in order to make sure that the substrate is ready to receive a product as strong and as demanding on a substrate as a polyurethane would be. Point is that polyurethane has a tendency to want to curl, and if it's not properly adhered to the substrate through using anchor grooves and doing all types of things to make it stick, it's going to delaminate, it's going to pull off. So that's what we've done, or this is what we're busy doing, and in the next video we're going to show you how we install it. Thank you very much for watching. Like us, subscribe, do the thing, and if you want a floor like this in your own candy factory, let us know. info@ctindustries.co.za. Thank you very much. Cheers.